Hey everybody, this is Jerry, J&B Property Care. I've got a neighbor here that just bought a piece of property next to mine. He asked if I could do his driveway. I'm not really sure how much gravel's in here. To be honest, I don't know at all. I just know there's some. You can see a little bit here. Kind of sunk in where the tracks of the vehicles have been going up in here. A little bit up through here, but it's mostly a bunch of sod. Looks like it ends right about here somewhere, but it's mostly a bunch of sod, so I don't really know how well this is going to turn out. See some gravel, but a little bit here. Got a little bit of a small drainage culvert right here. Just steel pipe in the ground. A little bit of gravel here by the road. We'll work on it here and see how it turns out. Thanks. Everybody, you can see I'm making a little bit of progress. I'm getting big wads of sod here. It's just like carpet, grass carpet. Just peeling off the top. See, I just got gobs of it there. Trying to throw it off to the side here because it's so thick. Big chunk here. Crazy. See how I raked it up here at the road. Sort through this a little bit. Clean some of that up and make it a little better. All right, everybody. Working up this driveway here still. And looks like I got into an old steel gas line probably. I ripped her right out of the ground. I assume that's what it is, just an old gas line. Black iron. Not sure where it goes. I'll see if I can get a hold of it and pull it up out of there. I don't know how far it goes though. We'll see. As you can see, everybody, it looks like it's just pulled out maybe 5 or 6 feet. Just either broke off or that's all there was of it. Didn't even strain, it just pulled it right out. Hey everybody, this is Jerry with J&B Property Care again. This is the driveway I was working on yesterday up through into it got dark on me. I've got it pretty good right now, but I want to do a little more fine tuning. As you can see, I got a lot of sod that worked up. I got most of it pushed over to the edge, but I want to try to clean up the sod. You see all the way along that edge there, and all this big pile of stuff I picked up here yesterday, including that pipe. We've got my power bucket on right now. I'm gonna put it on, try to scoop up the excess sod as much as possible, and then I'll get the power rake back on and just kind of go over it again and do a little more fine tuning. As you can see, I got a lot of sod mixed in here. It was just way too much to try to just leave it or mix it in with the gravel and make it disappear. But anyway, it's definitely a lot better than it was when we started yesterday evening. And I got up today and mowed 6 yards, and it's about 10 after 7 now. And last night I probably didn't get started till 8 o'clock in the evening, but anyway, see if we can get this straightened up and have the customer happy when he comes in this weekend. I'll see y'all after a bit. Everybody, hey, just got last night finished up this gravel driveway on the neighbor's place here. I think it turned out pretty good considering all the sod and grass that was packed in on top of it. Got rid of the majority of it. Got everything blew off pretty good. You can see all these little wads of grass I blew off of it last night. Didn't turn out too bad. But anyway, hopefully the homeowner gets here later on today. I think they're coming in today. They'll be happy with it. It's definitely a big difference from what it was. Appreciate y'all for watching, and everybody have a great day.